What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gadgets123. Thanks again for all the like, comment, subscriptions. You guys are awesome. 2 thumbs up. On the road to 1,000 subs. We are about 20 subs away from last I saw. Man, you guys have been amazing. Thanks for everyone that subscribes to the channel. And stay tuned to the end of the video to give you more information on the giveaway we're doing. To thank everybody for subscribing to the channel and to reaching 1,000 subs. Great milestone for us here at Gadgets123. All right, we're doing a unboxing. We're gonna do some testing. I'll tell you what I like, what I dislike about this digital camcorder from Digital Life. So stay tuned. Let's check it out. Alright guys, the Digital Life camcorder is right here. We're going to go over some of the buttons real quick. A lot of these specs, you could pretty much get it from the actual website, which I'm going to link below. But we're going to go over the actual camcorder. I'm going to do some testing for you guys so you can see some videos, some pictures I took, and probably make up your own mind if you guys do like this camcorder. It's available in Amazon for about less than $100. I think as of right now it's going for about 84 and change. And if you have Prime, you'll be able to get this in a couple of days, a day or two max. All right, so as you can see, it's very portable, very small. I don't have big hands, and check it out. It fits perfectly in my hand. You kind of have to get used to it. That's one of the things at the beginning. I was kind of shaking a lot because I really never have used too many of these camcorders before. And it took me a little while to kind of get the hang of it. But after taking a couple of videos, I was doing pretty good. Now, what I do like is, especially if you have a tripod, you could place it on the tripod, and that's perfect because it's not going to move or anything. You could kind of put it in a specific place and maybe record some videos via YouTube. You know, you could do some chatting. You could do a lot of different things, which we're going to go over that a little bit later in this video. But for now, let's go over the actual camera. Now, the camera has a actual 3.0 LCD camera. Now it's a touchscreen, so you could touch it. It rotates, so that's pretty cool. Now, as you could see, it rotates this way. Why is that important? Just because you could record yourself, so you could see yourself recording, especially if you're going to do some kind of streaming. You could do it while the video, while you could see yourself on the LCD screen. So that's actually pretty cool. Now, right here, we have a couple buttons. I'm going to go over that real quick again. It has the power button, the mode button up, it has a little Wi-Fi. Why? We'll go over that in a minute. Down button and the menu button. On the side, it has the record button, which is right here. Now, it does have a micro USB. Let me see if I could show you there. I'm sorry, guys, was moving it. Micro USB port. This is a mini HDMI so you could connect it to your actual TV, and an aux port. This is for the mic that is running this way. On the other side, we have the little strap. Really no other buttons here. It's just a strap for you to hold the actual camera. At the bottom, it has the actual, you could call it a port, you could call it like a little dock, so you could connect your tripod there. It's universal, so most of the tripods available are going to be able to, you know, go in this little bracket without any issues. Now, in the front, it has the lens and it has a cover. So let me try to open this real quick, which is right here, and it is connected. Well, it has a little rope so you don't lose it, which is actually pretty cool to have. Now, on the top is where this camcorder kind of differs from other ones, especially on the cheap end. This one has that mic, which is actually pretty cool. So as you could see, it goes right here. Now, if for any reason you don't want to use the mic, all you have to do is turn the wheel and pull it out, and it comes out without any issues. Now, again, it is connected via the aux port that is right here. And if you want to put it back again, you could put it back this way, or you could do it kind of this way too. Like if you want to, you know, put it like that, you could kind of put it different positions, or maybe something like you could kind of turn it, I believe. Nope, just forward and back. So that's actually how it works. Let me tighten this up. Now, as I don't know if you guys could see it right here, it has an off on switch. Now it has a let me see. Yeah, I don't know if you, I'm kind of trying to kind of focus this for you guys, but I don't know if you could see it. So again, that's the gist of this actual camera. Now again, it does have a lot of features which we're going to go over in a minute, but I just wanted to give you a little rundown of how the camera does work. Well, what is the different buttons in the camera. Now let's go over what comes in this actual box. Alright guys, so this is what you're getting in this box. You get an actual micro USB charger with the head, which is right here to charge the actual device. You get, which is actually pretty cool, you get the HDMI cable, the mini HDMI to the standard HDMI, so you can connect it to your TV. Again, that's actually pretty cool. Some of these budget cameras don't come with that. You get a remote control, very easy to use. Oops, very easy to use. It has a lot of different options you could use. I don't know if you guys could kind of see the different things. It has the record, the camera, take pictures, menu, mode, light, play, and so forth. So very easy to use, very self-explanatory. It does have a battery compartment, and a battery is also included for this little remote. Again, that's actually pretty cool as well. Instruction manual, which is right here, very, you know, it's kind of black and white. I'll show you real quick, especially if you want to get some of the features. Here it is, very small letterings. That's one of the things I don't like, but again, I'm just nitpicking here, nothing else. I do like this. It does come with this little pouch, so you can kind of carry the actual camcorder. Now, again, very simple pouch, really has no compartments at all. And it's, you know, fits perfectly on the camcorder. Now you cannot fit it with the actual mic. So if you kind of put it this way, you see how the mic sticks out. You kind of have to take out the mic. So it's not going to fit with the mic itself, which I would have liked them to make it a little bit bigger. But again, those are little nitpicks that I have. Now that's what comes in the camera. I'm going to go over what are these features that this camera has. In this little package, let's go through some of the highlights it has. Now again, all these specifications you could find on the actual Amazon webpage, which is linked below. Now it does have a 30 frames per second video camcorder with 24 megapixels picture resolution. Now it is equipped with a removable microphone, which I saw earlier today. Now, like I said, it does have Wi-Fi. However, it only works with the app that they provide. Now the app is called Act Camera app that you could download. Now with that app, you could pretty much transfer the pictures and videos wirelessly to your phone or your actual tablet. That's basically the gist of the Wi-Fi itself. So it's kind of limited. However, you could transfer via the app, which is actually pretty cool. Again, it does come with a remote, which makes it a lot easier to use, especially if you want to do selfies or, you know, record yourself blogging or doing anything. That way the camera does help. One of the coolest features that it has personally for me is the IP night vision. I'll show you some of those clips and pictures in a minute, which is actually pretty cool. The digital life camcorder includes, as stated before, HDMI output port, records videos directly when connected to the TV, webcam via computer, and also have video calls. Now, as stated before, it does have a 3.0 touchscreen, slow motion video motion detection, time-lapse continuous shooting, loop recording, and supports up to 128 gigabyte SD card. Now again, all these features, again, you can read about on the actual webpage. I just wanted to highlight some of the actual specifications and features that it has. Again, very small camcorder, it's very on the budget side. So if you're an intro, if you want to get into recording and you want something on the low end, this could be the one for you. Now we're going to take some videos and pictures, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So you could judge for yourself. So let's do that right now. All right, guys, here's some footage from the camcorder. So you can see my dog is just walking around in the backyard. Baby. Maybe he's looking for his buried bone. Maybe he found something. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the night mode now, so let's check that out. Alright guys, we are here in one of the rooms and now it's really dark, so I'm going to turn the night mode on right now. That's actually pretty cool. And there's my dog again. Now if I turn it off, can't see anything. Turn it back on, there's my dog. So again, that's actually pretty cool. That's the night mode. Off, on. Ooh, there goes. Hopefully enjoy that little demonstration we just did with the video. The night vision, that's the coolest part for me, and the pictures that it took. So again, very cool little product. I used it a couple of times, especially when we went down the shore. I took it and took a couple of pictures, as you just saw, especially of those pesky seagulls here on the East Coast. So if you enjoyed this little video, give us a thumbs up. If you like this camera, definitely click on the link below. Again, it is pretty cool for the budget price of less than $100. Has a lot of features that you could play around with, especially if you're a beginner when it comes to actually doing some YouTubing or recording or anything like that. You want to start with something with a little bit of capital. This might be the camera for you. So again, thanks guys for watching this video. Thanks again for supporting this channel, and let's go over the giveaway, which we'll be doing pretty soon. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gadgets123. Thanks again for all the like, comments, subscriptions. You guys are awesome. Alright guys, as promised, thumbs up. This is the video for the mystery box giveaway. So let me show you without further ado. I don't know if you guys could see it. Let me just kind of lift the box. So here is the box for the giveaway. As you could see, it's right here. Nothing has been placed on this box, but this is what you're going to be getting with random items for the giveaway. So let me just put it here on the side, and I'll tell you how this giveaway is going to work right now. Alright guys, so the mystery box giveaway works like this. We will randomly pick a subscriber from all 1,000 subs in our channel. So basically, if you subscribe to the channel, you're automatically entered in this giveaway. Unlike any other giveaway that we've seen in YouTube, we're not gonna make a video and people that are comment on that video are gonna be part of the giveaway. This is more of a thank you to all that have subscribed to the channel, from the first subscriber to the 1,000 subscriber, for joining us at Gadgets123 and supporting the channel. Least we could do is do a giveaway and have one of you guys win this mystery box as a thank you for supporting us. So if you are part of the channel, you'll be automatically entered on that giveaway. So if you haven't joined, you still have time to join the mystery box giveaway. Now we will, like I said, we will randomly pick a subscriber from all 1,000 subs on our channel. We will post the winner on Twitter, Facebook. That's linked below, so check that out if you haven't joined the channel. If you haven't joined those platforms, join it in our next video after reaching 1,000 subs. So if you want to know who the winner is, we'll definitely post that information quicker on Twitter and Facebook. But if you don't join, you would have to wait until our next video after we reach 1,000 subscribers to know who the winner is. Now, this is very important. After 24 hours, if the winner doesn't contact us, we will do it again. So if you won but do not contact us via Twitter, Facebook, leave a comment via the actual giveaway video that we're posting right now as we speak, via our email. Everything's going to be linked in the description below, so just check that out. If you do not contact us within 24 hours, we will unfortunately have to pass and go to the next subscriber and do it again. And again, we'll keep doing this until somebody contacts us from all 1,000 subscribers. And the one that contacts us first is the one that's going to win. Again, you know, unfortunately, we can't keep this going for a day or two. For 2, 3, 4, even a week, just because it's going to be too long. We want to move on after this giveaway once we reach 1,000 subscribers. And take the next step here at Gadgets 1, 2, 3. So again, that's why we're doing a 24-hour time period for the winner to contact us. So definitely, like I said, join our Twitter and Facebook account. That was the easiest way to find out who the winner is. We're going to post that as soon as we randomly pick a winner from the subscribers that we have here at Gadgets 1, 2, 3. And again, it would be great for you to, if you do get the item, maybe put a post on Gadgets. You could even send a picture of the mystery box. You could do, a couple of different things that would be really, really cool for us to know that you received it, and for the channel itself. And hopefully, if this works out, we'll do another giveaway by the end of the year. But we got a lot of things coming up for the holiday season. There's a lot of cool items like the iPhone and a lot of different gadgets for the 2019 holiday seasons that we're going to try to get. And if we do get those items, we'll definitely be posting more and more now that we reach this milestone of 1,000 subscribers. And we could just kind of put this on the side and basically continue our posting of videos and reviews and tech help and so forth here at Gadgets 1, 2, 3. So again, this is the mystery box giveaway video, guys. You still have time to join. If you haven't joined the channel, please join. The box, as you could see, I'll show you right now, the box is ready. It's empty, but it's gonna get filled up probably tomorrow. I'm just deciding what items we're going to put in there, and I'll put a picture on Twitter of the box with all the items inside. Of course, you won't be able to see what the items are, but you'll be able to see a couple of different packages inside the box before we seal it and get it ready for the actual winner. So good luck to everybody, guys. Thanks again for joining the channel. Appreciate all the support. You guys have been awesome from the first to our hopefully soon to be 1,000 subscribers, and all the comments, all the people that have viewed, and all the people that have left comment on our videos. Appreciate all the support, guys. You guys have been awesome. Really humbling to know that you guys enjoyed our videos. Even the people that just, the trolls that just post, random stuff. Man, never thought that our channel would grow this fast, this quickly. And for us, it's a great milestone to reach. I mean, we're not gonna get rich when we reach 1,000 subs. Far from it. But this is more of a hobby for us, and do appreciate all you guys' support. So thank you very much, guys. Hopefully, we'll see you after 1,000 subscribers. And stay tuned for more Gadgets 1, 2, 3 videos. But if you haven't joined the channel, guys, and good luck. See you guys on the next video. Gadgets 1, 2, 3. Talk to you guys later.